गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो? yesterday we studied about permanent tissue, and today we will continue our topic with the types of permanent tissue. I told you about the three types. Number 1, parenchyma tissue. Number 2, collenchyma tissue. And number 3, sclerenchyma tissue. Right now, at number 1 we will study about parenchyma tissue. First, it is very important that cells of parenchyma tissue, they are living. They are living cells. Number 2, cell wall is thin. Number 3, cells are loosely packed. Here I am showing you the cells. Cells are loosely packed. Here you are seeing in between the cells there are spaces. There are spaces. Because the cells are loosely packed, we can see intercellular spaces between them. So they have intercellular spaces in between the cells, right? Then parenchyma tissue, they store food, provides food to them. These are all the characteristics and functions of the parenchyma tissue. Parenchyma tissue, we will further study, it is of two types. First is chlorenchyma tissue. In some of the parenchyma tissue, chlorophyll is present, and due to chlorophyll they can prepare their own food. And that parenchyma in which chlorophyll is present, that is called collenchyma, right? Chlorenchyma के बाद next है arenchyma. In aquatic plants there is arenchyma. There are large air spaces between the cells. That those type of parenchyma having air spaces, they are called arenchyma, and it is responsible for the force of buoyancy. जो aquatic plants हैं, they float on the surface of water. वो जो buoyancy की force है, उसकी density कम हो जाती है plant की due to arenchyma, due to air spaces, and density become less than water. Therefore, they float on the surface of water. So arenchyma, parenchyma. Further, we are going to study two types. Chlorenchyma having chlorophyll in between them, and chlorophyll is responsible for the process of photosynthesis. And arenchyma, it is present in aquatic plants. In aquatic plants, there are air spaces present which make the force of buoyancy to apply on the plant so that they can float on the surface of water. So this was the first type of tissue. Now second type is collenchyma. Collenchyma, they are also living tissue, right? Cells of collenchyma tissue, they are also living. Then, but they are having irregular thickness in cell wall. Here the cell wall was thin, but here irregular thickness is present. Here I am showing you the cells. Here you are seeing here at the corners there is irregular thickness. They are thickened at the corners, right? So in collenchyma, cells show irregular thickness, right? They are less loosely packed. So intercellular spaces are very less in comparison to parenchyma. In comparison to parenchyma, intercellular spaces are less. It provides flexibility to the plant, right? Basically, the plant can bend. The plant can bend. Why? It is because of collenchyma tissue, right? Then comes next, it gives mechanical strength to the plant, right? Then number 3, it is sclerenchyma tissue. Sclerenchyma tissue contain dead cells. Both were living, this is the dead, right? Sclerenchyma tissue, cells of sclerenchyma tissue are dead cells, right? They have thick cell wall. Here cell wall was thin, irregular thickness, but they have thickened cell walls. Cell walls are thick, and cells are compactly arranged. They are loosely arranged, less loosely arranged, they are compactly arranged. Means no intercellular spaces are present. There are no intercellular spaces, and they also store food and provide mechanical strength to the plant. Okay.